Hey guys, it's Nikki here at ActivWall. I wanted to take a second to show you an amazing new product that we have here in our gas strut window. If you look behind me, there's a 3-sash unit, 3 openings in one frame. How cool is that? So the rough opening is 144.5 wide. So you have 28 inches on each side and 88.5 in the middle, but all 3 of them can open. So cool. Let's take a look and see how the operation works. Now that we have both of those side units open, I want to take a second to show you that you can actually open this. That's the interior, this is the exterior. So we have handles on both sides, so you can open from the interior or the exterior. This unit actually has a flush seal, so it's very minimal on top of your countertop that allows you easily to pass food and drinks from the inside to the outside. So while I'm going to close these from the exterior, we do have an optional add-on for our pull hook. We have it 36 inches and 60 inches that allow you to reach from the interior to the exterior to be able to stand inside and also close your unit. While this is all much easier when it's elevated on top of your countertop height, Carrie's using our 60-inch pull hook to be able to close that from the interior out. So reach out to us, get a quote to open up your entire space and see how we can get one of these in your house.